Wah, ini buah plum. Look, sekantong beri-berian. Wah, this is a lot.
It is super beautiful in here.
It is.
But all this is private. So the guy,
Yeah.
the way the guy came,
Uh-huh.
we will use that.
Demi beri liar sampai nyasar di tengah-tengah kebun orang. Ini suasana pertanian di Jerman. Is that corn?
Yeah.
And this one is wheat. Wheat. Jadi inget iklan Choco Crunch. Coco Crunch atau Choco Crunch? What are they doing, the orange guy?
Something with the trail.
Trail? For train?
From train, yeah.
Uh-huh. With the train track railway.
Railway, yeah.
Kencangkan sabuk pengamanmu.